Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you're notified when we have new videos. The Nokia 8 Sirocco was launched by HMD Global on the eve of MWC 2018. The smartphone is a redesigned version of the Nokia 8 flagship which launched last year, featuring a curved glass finish and a precision crafted stainless steel frame. The company says that the stainless steel frame is 2.5 times stronger than 6000 series aluminium used in its predecessor, and is also more compact in height, width and thickness than the original. It bears a slightly different rear camera setup and IP67 rating for dust and water resistance. It is an Android One smartphone, with the company touting the use of stock Android as well as promising swift updates. The Nokia 8 Sirocco runs on Android 8.0 Oreo and sports a 5.5-inch Quad HD POLED display with 3D Corning Gorilla Glass 5. It is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 SoC that's coupled with 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM. It bears a 12-megapixel wide-angle sensor on its primary rear camera, complete with an f1.75 aperture and 1.4 micron pixels. This is accompanied by a 13-megapixel telephoto lens capable of providing 2x optical zoom and featuring an f2.6 aperture and 1 micron pixels. The dual rear camera setup features a dual-tone LED flash as well as Zeiss optics, making it in fact completely identical to the Nokia 7 Plus that was also unveiled at the event. The Nokia 8 Sirocco's front camera bears a 5-megapixel sensor paired with a fixed focus lens, an f2.0 aperture and a 1.4 micron pixels. HMD Global has provided 120GB of inbuilt storage on the 8 Sirocco that appears not to be expandable via microSD card. In terms of thickness, it measures 7.5mm. The Nokia 8 Sirocco's price has been set at €749, which is roughly 60,000 rupees excluding taxes and subsidies. HMD Global is calling this the global average retail price, though the phone's price in India has yet to be revealed. The smartphone will go on sale in early April. So that was our quick first look at the Nokia 8 Sirocco, and for all things tech, log on to Gadgets360.com.